Hey guys, how's it going? Now, you might have already heard about Qubo devices, like the smart home devices from Hero Electronics, right? Well, it seems like Hero Electronics has been doubling down on their efforts to make our life even smarter with all of the new Qubo Go sub-brand. And this right here is their all new product, the Qubo Go Smart Audio Sunglasses. Now, the idea of smart audio sunglasses like these is to make things super seamless and convenient when you're using them outdoors. You can use these while cycling, while going on a trek, while going for a walk, or just doing any sort of outdoor activity. And these things can do a lot of things. You can listen to music, you can attend to calls, you can even use your voice assistant for easy navigation and stuff like that. Like so many things that you can do with this. So, what exactly are those things? Well, let's just unbox this product right now and let me tell you all about it. This is Varun from Guiding Tech and let's get started. Alright, so let's just quickly unbox the Qubo Go here. So we have the plastic packaging right here. I think I don't even need a knife for this. We just love tearing things with your hands, right? Right. Then we have the box. I think it's a slide-out package. Okay. Yeah, it's a slide-out package. Here's the box. Alright, so this is the Qubo Wayfarer sunglasses. Damn, they look really nice. Alright, let's get back to this in a bit. And other than that, we have the normal packaging in which you also get a microfiber cloth, 6 months warranty card, and charging cable. Okay, the charging cable is a magnetic plug which should connect right here. Yep, like this. Cool, that's super convenient. Yep, that was the box. Let me just keep all of this aside. Alright, so now that everything has been unboxed, let me just quickly show you how easy it is to set things up. I mean, you just have to connect it via Bluetooth and that's it. Alright, so now that my phone and my sunglasses are paired up, let me just switch back to my contact lenses, wear this thing out and take it out for a spin, right? So, BRB. Okay, now as far as the design is concerned, it comes in this Wayfarer shape that most of us, including me, do prefer. Now the thick frame allows for all the hardware to be stored inside the stems or the temples, and it's quite balanced. The buttons are also well positioned and I found them quite easy to access as well. As for the lenses, they do come with UV protection. Even better is the fact that you can get them in 5 different colors and they're all interchangeable, so that's also good. What's more is that you can also install power lenses in this, so that will definitely come in handy for someone like me who doesn't have to really choose between having these pair of glasses and having them to shift to contact glasses just to wear these things. You can just install power lenses in them and that'll be all. Lastly, we have the speakers, and these sunglasses feature open ear speakers, which are probably the most comfortable out there. See, I personally haven't been a fan of those bone conducting ones that usually touch right here and then use bone conducting technologies to transmit the sound to your skull. I genuinely do not like this. This is a far more comfortable setup, and more importantly, the audio quality here does not get compromised. In fact, while I'm talking about the audio quality, these things come with Qualcomm's AptX HD support. Now, all of that sounds good on paper, but how do these things perform in real life? Well, for that, let's take them out for a spin. Bro, actually, hold on. I'm getting a call here. Hold on. Actually, I can just use these to attend the call. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Ashish? Nothing. I'm just recording this video for the Hero Qubo smart audio glasses. How's the audio quality, by the way? Also, thanks to the mic, I can easily use my voice assistant to play music too. Like, okay, Google, play Heat Waves on YouTube Music. And bam. So simple, right? Also, as far as the audio quality is concerned, I have to say I'm quite impressed here. The audio sounds quite natural and not forced onto you. And even at the max levels, the quality isn't distorted. There's a very slight bit of audio leak at the highest levels, But obviously that's due to the open ear design. But then again, it's nothing that would bother anyone near you. Nonetheless, the idea here is to not use these things indoors, like in the studio or in your office or in a flight or something like that. No, that's not what these things are meant for. These are meant for proper outdoor usage. So for stuff like when you're going out for cycling, for trekking, just even walking or stuff like that, that is where the Qubo smart audio sunglasses will definitely come in handy. And in that case, the fit and the speakers both work very well. Also, one more thing that I'd like to add on is I was thinking about this if I'm going on a trek. Why would I pick something like this over having a normal pair of Wayfarers and just using a truly wireless, right? I mean, you can just go for that combo instead of going for this and being restricted to the design and stuff like that. And it got me thinking. I felt that I would actually go for something like this simply because if I'm on a trek, although the music quality does matters, what matters more is the fact that I'll be able to hear what's happening around me as well. If I'm trekking, I do not want to be lost of everything that's happening around me. You need to be alert at that time as well. And that is where the open ear setup of this thing really comes in handy. Now, of course, outdoor activities mean that you do need good battery backup. Now, the company here claims that the product should easily give you up to 6 hours of playtime, which sounds pretty good. Apart from that, charging it is super easy too. Just plug the cable into any USB charger or even a power bank and you're good to go. So, the big question, are the Hero Qubo Go smart audio sunglasses worth it? Well, I've only had them with me for a while right now, and honestly, in that period, I'm quite impressed with them. These smart audio sunglasses are available for a price tag of Rs 5,990, and I'll leave all the buying links down there for you to check it out. Now, considering the price, I feel that these pair of sunglasses offer a good blend of comfort as well as good audio quality in a very stylish form factor and good value for money too. As for my final verdict, like I said, I'm planning a trek later next month and I will be carrying these things. So I will be testing them thoroughly and also comparing them with a pair of Wayfarers and Truly Wireless to see which combo makes more sense for you as a consumer. So yeah, make sure that you're subscribed to our channel for whenever that video goes live. Well, that was it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to let us know by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more awesome tech content. Till then, this is Varun from Guiding Tech, and I'll see you in the next one.